We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self discipline, and effort. So, run often, run long, but never outrun your joy of running. I am just telling you, it's going to be worth.
Amit, what prompted you to run?
Running started my journey September 2016. We used to go to the park for walk and jog, me and Raka, in Swanjanti Park, Indrapuram. On that time, we were doing only 1 to 2 kilometers of jog and walk. One of my friend used to go for run. He always see my post on Facebook every day. There was a training session supposed to be start on 3rd of September 2016 by Victorious Vectors under training of Mr. Sanjay Dasila, who has a vast experience of 30 years into running and fitness. So he told me there is a session for 2 days going on and you must try that. We both went to Commonwealth Stadium for the first time in our life. Was the day which has changed our life.
Running is totally meditation for me, and all thanks to my mentor Amit.
I have one colleague, Mr. Tuglani. He used to run marathons. So he prompted me to run half marathon. He told me that there is ADHM which happened in the month of November. You should give it a try. In 2015, I started, practice for doing this half marathon from the mid of September. Just sake of that, I need to do this half marathon. I started running. But the actual passion came or addiction came when I joined the VV group under Mr. Dasila. See him, how he run, what is his discipline, and our other member of the group. This became my passion. Now it's part of my life.
Running is a individual sport as well as community sport. I became more tenacious. What I believe, like running is a tool that helps you to achieve your professional and personal goals. It just leverage your mind. It's enhance your capacity to think.
This is the, by default advantage of running or doing any fitness activity.
So, is there any linkages between running and productivity?
Yes, I must say. The first part is that energy level. The day you started 5 o'clock in the morning, so that day would be the most energetic day. The entire day you will be so much of boost up, and your entire day the energy would be on a different level. And the day you are not going to do your workout or you are not going for fitness early, you are not waking up in the morning, there would be some laziness in you the entire day. First part. And second part is discipline, because you are waking up right 4:35 a.m. in the morning. You are starting your day way earlier when other people are sleeping. It gives you a lot of discipline in the life. You reach office on time, you do all the works which supposed to be started by 10:11, you have already finished that by 8:30. So you are free the entire day. It really helps in your professional life.
So I want to add here, that when you run, you do the time management. I will when I will finish my first kilometer, when I will finish my 10 kilometer. So automatically the time management will come to you. In office or enhance the productivity, you require the time management. Second, the team spirit. When you run in the group, motivates you or you motivate others. How that affect your running. In office also, you will do the same practice. So these are the various benefits of running, which will come, by default in a runner or any sports person.
Balwant, how running reinvent you every day?
See, before running, I'm living life. I was overweight. After coming to running, I found a second life. Now it's also that what I need to do tomorrow, what a workout we'll do, what is our planning for coming event, what is our timing should be for that, how we should practice. So I found a second life.
Amit, what kind of lessons you have learned from running?
Day one or one day, choice is yours. And the second part is fitness is not a fashion, it is a lifestyle. And the third is nutrition. I would like to say that eat your food like medicine, otherwise you have to eat your medicine like your food. So we are eating everything. In every diet we have enriched protein in our diets. So we are taking care of our nutrition, we are taking care of our fitness.
Before running, I have no life. Now I have a schedule that I wake up early in the morning. There is stretching and mobility session. I will be in fitness till the end of my life.
Amit, what's your why?
So my vision is on Boston, and I am keeping my eye on that. I have to go for the Boston, and that's final.
I am also targeting Boston. Next target, I want to do one half marathon sub 90 and one full marathon under guidance our Dasila ji. And I would like to add here that there is magical Guru Dasila. If you see his workout, if you see his discipline, you automatically recharge. So that is a positive energy or vibe.
And his words always keep in our mind.
Whenever we go for a run, in the middle of a run, there is a point came in every run when you think like it's not your day. Then that words came from your coach in your mind. I am waiting at finishing line. That keeps you motivated to finish the race in given time, and we used to go for that. And the smile which we have seen on that face of our coach is $1 million smile. I learned from running is dedication, discipline and perseverance. So it helps me a lot. Achieving your milestones on time has been taught by running to me.